Hi, in this video, we will learn how to log in to code.org, and after login, how you will create your animal kingdom. As it is first time you are logging in, you can take your parents' help to log in. But after that, you should do your own homework. First, you need to click on the link provided here, or you can also Google code.org. Once you click on the link, it will take you to code.org. If you already logged in or earlier you have worked here, it will directly take you to your login page. Even if it is so, the very first thing is go here and sign out. If you see, you have been signed in. After signing out, again click on the sign in, and here you have to choose the option continue with Google. Please take care, you don't have to log in here. No need to continue with Microsoft, though you may be having a team account. No for Facebook. We will continue with Google. The reason being, your classroom is attached with Google Classroom. When we are in here, it will ask you what is the account you would like to use, right? You have to choose the same account that you have provided to your labs for during your registration and for your Google Classroom. In my case, it is your labs account. I'll just click on that. If it asks you something to allow, you can allow. In your case, it may not ask, and you will be in. Because you are doing it first time, it may ask your age. If it is so, please put the age above 14. Why we have to put above 14? Because as per US laws, if you are below 14, your account is not valid for video and audio related courses. So you can do two things. One, you can log in using your parents' account, so it is in their supervision, or you have to mention your age above 14. When you have done so, go here, go to create and click on App Lab. App Lab is the lab where you have symbol of your phone. Okay. Once you click here, it will take you to the page that is our App Lab. We have already worked in this lab, so you know how to take it onwards from here, but still let's do it. First, rename your project name and say it my animal kingdom or something similar. Once you have done so, save it. After saving, as I told you, there is the very first screen. In this screen, what you have to do, go to design. In this design, go to images, click on upload file, and wherever all your images are there, from that select one image. If you are not knowing where your images are, we will do this in the class, or you can take your parents' help. How we did last time, we had a grass and we had so many other things. So here I will select again the green grass and I will open it here. After I have to say choose. The moment I say choose, you can see I got the grass. The next thing is, which is very simple, drag your first image here and again go to choose. This time we have to choose a cat or a dog or anything what we have liked. Let me choose this dog and put it here. After I choose dog, the dog is here and we can make it big if we want. Now the only thing we want is whenever I click on the dog, it should give me the dog sound. For that, go to code, take the very first button that says on event. This button you bring here. Inside, click and say image 1. Then you have to find play sound. Put the play sound and click on this black button, go for choose, and after choosing go for animals, find dog and say choose. And I think we are done. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works for me. You may not be able to hear this sound because I'm recording right now. Your homework is you have to choose 4 animals of your choice and put them into this app. Okay? As this is your very first assignment where you will be doing everything by yourself, if by any reason you are not able to do it or forgot something, don't worry, we will discuss in the class and slowly we will start building more and more.